With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we have to select the option where the correct example of convergent and divergent evolution has been given. Now we all know that evolution is a process because of which we see gradual changes in all life forms with the passage of time. But let's try to understand the significance of the terms convergent and divergent over here. So convergent evolution creates the analogous structures or the analogous organs. So basically this means that there was a structure whose origin is not at all common. There are two organisms who are not closely related to each other, but over time they have undergone such modifications or such evolutionary changes that now the function of these structures has become common. So analogous organs means that anatomically they are not similar, their origin is not the same, but now they are carrying out the same function because these two structures have evolved along the same direction because of similar needs of the organisms. On the other hand, the divergent evolution creates the homologous structures or the homologous organs. So homologous organs, we can say just the opposite of analogous, because over here the origin of these structures is similar, their anatomy is similar, but now their function has become different because they have undergone evolutionary changes in different directions in order to adapt to their different needs. Because maybe these organisms, even though they are closely related, they are now having different behavior, lifestyle, or habitat. So convergent evolution means it will create analogous organs because two structures of different origin evolve in the same direction, so their function is the same. And divergent evolution will create the homologous organs when the structures are anatomically similar, their origin is the same, but their function becomes different over a long period of time. So over here, when we look at the examples in option A, the correct examples are given. The eye of octopus and eye of mammal. Now these are structures having completely different origin. There is going to be no common ancestor for octopus and mammal because they belong to completely different groups in the animal kingdom. But despite being not related phylogenetically, despite having no common origin or common ancestor, the functions of both these structures are similar. They both need to see. So for vision, these structures have undergone evolution in a similar direction. So this is convergent evolution. Analogous organs have been created. And for divergent evolution, the correct example is given of homologous organs. The forelimbs of all the vertebrates, whether we are talking about a bird, a bat, or a human being, they have common origin because all the vertebrates are related to each other, or all of them have common ancestor, but now their functions have become different. The bat is using its forelimb for flying and human beings are using their forelimb, their arm, for a variety of different purposes, but not flight. So over here, again, correct example of homologous structure. So option A is our correct answer, because if we look at the other options, thorn of bougainvillea, tendril of cucurbita, both are stem modifications. So they are homologous organs, common origin, but convergent evolution should give analogous. Similarly, wing of butterfly and bird, they are analogous because they are used for the same purpose. They are both used for flight, but their origin is not the same. So again, this is not divergent evolution. Similarly, bone of forelimb of vertebrate, we have already discussed how it is an example of divergent evolution of homologous structures. And wing of butterfly and bird, again, it is example of convergent evolution and not divergent. Similarly, in option D, thorns and tendrils have been given again in convergent, and eye of octopus and mammal, which is actually analogous, which is actually example of convergent evolution, is written under divergent. So our only correct option here remains option A, because convergent evolution is going to create analogous structures having same origin, having different origin but similar function. and divergent evolution is going to create the homologous structures having same origin but different function. So over here our correct answer is option A.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.